In this video, we will learn how to create multiple chatbots in MsgWave that automatically reply whenever a user sends a message. As soon as a user messages you, your WhatsApp auto reply is triggered automatically. This is done using chatbots, which handle auto messaging for you. Here we have created multiple automations. For example, we have an automation named Simple. Whenever a user sends messages like, "Hello team," or "I want to apply for a loan," this specific auto reply bot is triggered automatically. Similarly, if a user types "sure," another bot reply is triggered. If the user types "I want to apply," a different bot reply is sent. In this way, we can create multiple chatbots for different keywords. There are 3 types of chatbots available: simple chatbot, media chatbot, and advanced interactive chatbot. Let me explain all 3, one by one. First is the simple chatbot. Here you need to enter the chatbot name. For example, demo chatbot. Next, you define the reply text. This is the message sent when the user types something. For example, if the user types "hi," "hello," or "hey," the system automatically sends a welcome message in response. This reply is sent instantly without any manual action. You can also include the user's name in the message if it is saved in your contacts. Once enabled, the chatbot remains active as long as the status is set to on. This is how the simple chatbot works. Next comes the media chatbot. Media chatbots are used when you want to send files like videos or PDFs. For example, if a user types "I need a demo," "I need documents," or "property documents," you can add these trigger keywords here. When the user sends any of these messages, the media chatbot is triggered. You can upload a video, tutorial, or any media file, and add a message like, "This is our tutorial." As soon as the trigger matches, the user receives the video along with the message. You can choose different trigger types, such as starts with or contains. For example, if the user types "I want to get a demo," the system automatically sends the media chatbot reply. Next is the advanced interactive chatbot. This chatbot allows you to create interactive messages with buttons and lists. For example, you can send a message like, "Welcome to MsgWave. Which plan would you like to see?" You can add a header if required, and then add multiple buttons. Each button can represent a different pricing option. For example, $99, $120, $4.99, or $9.99. When the user clicks a button, a specific reply or automation can be triggered. You can define what happens on yes, what happens on no, and build full automation logic. You can also add call to action buttons, such as website links. List messages can also be created, for example, food ordering menus with multiple options. All list items and buttons are visible in the preview panel. This is how you can build advanced interactive chatbots and fully automate your WhatsApp conversations.